In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a short roll turn. Now I'm at the turning position. I turn my work. Okay, the first thing that I have to do is wrap the yarn from the front towards the back. And now I start purling as usual. Okay, this is how you make a short roll turn at the end of a right side row, okay? Now I knit all the way, I put all the way to the other side. Now I'm gonna show you how to resolve a yarn over. I'm on the wrong side row. As you can see, here is the turning position. So I slip this yarn over, I slip it purlwise, no, I slip it knitwise, I slip another stitch knitwise, and then I transfer both stitches to my left needle, and then I purl them both through the back legs together. Okay. Then I have to knit all the 4 stitches. Now I have to put another 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I have to turn my work to make another short roll turn. Turn my work. Now I have the right side facing me. I wrap my yarn from the back towards the front. And I keep on knitting as usual. Now I'm going to resolve a yarn over on the right side. I knit to the previous turning position. Then I knit this yarn over together with the next stitch using a knit 2 together. Usually I add an extra twist, but it's optional. Okay, then I knit both together. And here it is. And this is a close-up look on the right side of my work. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but my turning positions were here along this line, okay?